Now that you've got your freebie and entry-level offers set up, it's time to talk about the next step in your value ladder: mid-ticket offers. These are the offers that sit between your low-ticket entry offers and your high-ticket offers, usually priced between $97 and $297. In this video, we'll break down what mid-ticket offers are, why they're important, and when to introduce them to your audience. What are mid-ticket offers? Mid-ticket offers are priced higher than your entry offers, but are still affordable for most of your audience. They provide more value and depth compared to entry offers, and are designed to help your audience move closer to their goals with more in-depth solutions. Think of mid-ticket offers as the bridge between your low-cost entry offers and your high-ticket products or services. These are the offers where you can provide more support, more resources, and a more personalized experience. Examples of mid-ticket offers might include full-length online courses, group coaching programs, masterclasses or workshops, membership programs, advanced training or toolkits. These offers are where you can really start to expand on the transformation your audience is seeking and help them dive deeper into their journey with you. Why mid-ticket offers matter? Mid-ticket offers are a crucial step in your value ladder for several reasons. 1. They provide more value. Your audience is likely to be interested in going deeper with your content after experiencing your freebie and entry-level offers. Mid-ticket offers give them a way to go beyond the basics and get more comprehensive solutions to their problems. For example, if your entry offer was a mini course on social media growth, a mid-ticket offer could be a group coaching program where you help your audience implement those strategies and see results. 2. They help increase customer lifetime value. By offering mid-ticket products, you're able to nurture your existing customers and increase their lifetime value to your business. Mid-ticket products are often priced high enough to generate significant revenue, but they're still affordable for a wider audience compared to your high-ticket offers. 3. They build trust and commitment. A mid-ticket product often requires a greater commitment from your audience, but it also signals a deeper level of trust. Your customers who invest in mid-ticket offers are likely to be more committed to their personal growth and more likely to move up your value ladder to your high-ticket offers. 4. They create recurring revenue. Mid-ticket offers can also be designed to create recurring revenue. For example, you might offer a monthly coaching membership or a subscription service for ongoing content and support. This creates a predictable, stable income stream while also keeping your customers engaged and invested. When to introduce mid-ticket offers? So, when is the right time to introduce a mid-ticket offer to your audience? The key is to ensure that your audience is ready and that you've already built trust with them through your freebie and entry-level offers. Here's when to introduce your mid-ticket offers. 1. Once your audience has engaged with your free and entry offers. Your audience should have interacted with your freebie and purchased at least one entry-level product before introducing them to your mid-ticket offers. They need to feel like they know you and have already gained value from your previous offerings. If they're ready for more, a mid-ticket offer is the next logical step. 2. After you've built credibility. Mid-ticket offers are typically more expensive, so your audience needs to feel confident in the value you provide. You've already established trust through your free and entry-level offers, so now is the time to offer something that helps them go deeper. 3. When you have more content or knowledge to share. If you've been creating a lot of valuable content and have built a reputation as an expert in your niche, it's time to offer a more in-depth solution. Mid-ticket offers are ideal when you've got a larger body of work to share, or if you want to provide ongoing support. 4. Once you have a process that produces results. Your mid-ticket offer should provide real, tangible results for your customers. If you have a proven system or method that works, it's time to package that up into a mid-ticket product and offer it to your audience. How to price your mid-ticket offers. Pricing. Your mid-ticket offers can feel tricky, but the goal is to find the sweet spot between what's affordable and what reflects the value you provide. Here's how to price your mid-ticket offers. 1. Consider the value and transformation. Think about the value and transformation you're offering in your mid-ticket product. If you're offering a group coaching program or a full-length course, the transformation should be significant. A price between $97 and $297 typically works well for this kind of product. 2. Look at industry standards research. What other creators or entrepreneurs in your niche are charging for similar offers? While you don't have to price match, it's helpful to understand the market and ensure your pricing is competitive. 3. Offer payment plans. Mid-ticket offers can be a significant investment for some, so consider offering payment plans. This allows your audience to split the cost over a few months, making the investment easier to manage. 4. Don't undervalue your knowledge. While you want your mid-ticket offers to be affordable, don't undervalue your expertise. Mid-ticket offers are still a serious commitment for your audience, so be sure to price them accordingly to reflect the value and results they'll receive. How to promote your mid-ticket offers. Now that your mid-ticket offer is ready, it's time to promote it to your audience. Here's how you can effectively sell it. 1. Use your existing audience. Promote your mid-ticket offer to those who have already purchased your entry-level products. These people have already shown an interest in your work, so they are the perfect candidates for your next-level offers. 2. Create a strong call to action. Use clear and compelling CTAs to lead your audience toward purchasing your mid-ticket offer. Whether it's a limited-time discount, bonus content, or exclusive access, make sure your offer is presented in a way that creates urgency and excitement. 3. Leverage social proof testimonials and success stories from customers who have used your entry-level products and benefited from them can be a powerful way to show potential buyers the value of your mid-ticket offers. 4. Create a sense of exclusivity. Mid-ticket offers are often more personalized and can create a sense of exclusivity. Highlight that your mid-ticket offer provides more one-on-one access or a deeper level of support. Final tip. Mid-ticket offers are the bridge between your low-cost entry products and your high-ticket services. They provide a more comprehensive solution to your audience's problems and help you monetize your growing relationship with them. By offering mid-ticket products, you give your audience the tools they need to achieve bigger results while building a stronger relationship with them. Create mid-ticket offers that are valuable, focused, and designed to solve real problems for your audience. When done right, your mid-ticket offers will be the gateway to your high-ticket products, leading to greater success and more revenue for your business.